Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito lang po nyo lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan. Sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Okay? Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at hindi po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. Kapag gusto niyo po ang ating reading ngayon, mag-comment po kayo, like, and share. Of course, don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga susunod na videos. Sige? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood, nakaabang. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Sige, Taurus, kunin na natin ang inyong 10 baraha. Alamin natin ang makaganapan ang dapat mong asahan sa mga darating na araw. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, give us 10 cards please for Taurus. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti po yung kalagayan ngayon. You're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Meron tayong 4 na barahan. Let's continue. 6 cards please. 5. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, last 5 cards please. 6. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo. Ulitin ko po. Di ba sinabi ko po na utang na loob ko po sa inyo simula noon hanggang ngayon. Wala po ang Renzo Tarot ngayon. Renzo Tarot Channel ngayon kung wala po kayong mga pinamahal kong soulmates na viewers at lagi nanonood. Sige. Taurus, let's begin your reading. We have here the Page of Cups. This is harvest season for you. So, cheer up, ihanda ang sarili, Taurus, because in the upcoming days, you will be surprised. Magbubunga or aanihin mo na lahat ng bunga na itong mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo or pinagpuyatan mo. Tugod pawis na binigay mo ang lahat. So, to the point na nag-sacrifice ka din ng mga relationship, friendship, or kung ano man, it's because you fought for it. Nilaban mo talaga to. And do not be surprised if the universe are going to reward you ng isang malaking bagay. It's because nakita niya na grabe ang sakripisyo mo dito. Tingnan mo, Page of Cups, after all these waves, mga alon, mga pagsubok na dinaanan mo, you still rise up and bumangon ka at hawak-hawak itong cups, which signifies victory or achievement. At the same time, meron pang laman na fish or isda. So it means that you are totally guided or talagang napakaswerte mo because harvest season is coming on your way. Okay? Taurus. So, we have here the 4 of Cups. I can see her it's like a new source of income or it's like a new source of stability na parang magpa-pop up bigla, parang i-offer sa'yo. Look at this one. So, it may be you are going to think about it. Titingnan mo muna mabuti kung papasukin mo ba or parang tatanggapin mo itong offer na to. Kasi parang nakikita natin dito, parang syempre maninibago ka pa, parang hindi mo alam kung kakayanin mo. Okay, but there's an opportunity, there's a door of opportunity that will be opening for you. Or siguro nga, Taurus, meron na nitong mga nakarang araw na dumating na ito sa inyo. And you just need discernment. Kailangan mo lang pag-isipang mabuti. You pray, you meditate, ask for the sign from the universe. Bibigyan ka tutulungan ka ng universe sa decision making na gagawin mo. But this 4 of Cups just signifies that merong magbubukas na opportunity para sa'yo sa mga darating na araw at linggo. Okay? Taurus? So, we have here also 3 of Cups. So, this is a celebration card. You're going to celebrate. Maybe there are some Taurus na ikakasal, magsa-celebrate ng birthday, reunion, it's like anniversary, kung ano man yan, or something na na-promote or na-approve ang visa. Maybe birthday ng anak, binyag, or it's all about celebration. Okay, so itong mga ganap na maaari nating asahan sa Taurus sa mga darating na araw. But since andito rin itong 4 of Cups na sinasabi kong door of opportunities that will be opening for you sa mga darating na araw, why don't you try your luck? Kahit hindi ka pa masyado handa, why don't you try? Bakit hindi mo subukan? Mali mo, iyan yung magbigay sa'yo din ng magandang like financial means or talagang stability. And because we have the celebration card, this is a positive card. So it means that kahit pa paano, malaki may tutulong yan para sa'yo. Okay? Walang masama sumubok. Okay? Kasi yung mga bagay, yung sis, natutunan naman pag andyan na eh. As long as you are determined or talagang interesado ka naman. So, ayan, we have your Tower card. So, One thing you're going to celebrate also, pinapakita dito is that something is about to end your life. So kung meron matatapos, may tatapusin si Universe Taurus. Maybe situations that are not working for you anymore, that are not suitable for your situation. Maybe this situation, this friendship, relationship, or kung ano man yan, is not healthy. It's not productive for you. So hindi na siya nakakatulong. Instead, nagkukos pa siya ng stress, ng sakit ng ulo para sa'yo. That's why this tower card represents ending or pagtatapos ng isang bagay. So, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised, Taurus, kung sa mga darating na araw, darating na mga linggo, ay bigla na lang may mga friendship na matatapos, relationship, trabaho, matatapos sa trabaho. And you should always remember, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo yan, na kapag may tinatanggal, kapag may inaalis, may natatapos, the universe has prepared something bigger, more beautiful, more fruitful. And of course, it is where you're going to be successful, happy, and contented. Okay, Taurus? Baka manibago ka, oh, ba't biglaan to? It comes from a surprise, no? That's part of the process of the universe. Ito kung mapanood mo to, at least alam mo na. We have here a judgment card. So meron talaga magiging resulta. You will be expecting a news, it's like a communication regarding a result of something. This will be fast, hindi ito magtatagal. So expect kung nag-aantay ka ng resulta ng mga bagay-bagay na wino-workout mo ito nakarang araw, maybe work-related, it's like financial-related, o kung ano man yan. So this is because this is judgment also. Matatapos din itong mga worries mo about sa mga bagay-bagay na wino-workout mo related sa judiciary. Siguro mga kaso na sinisata, lupa, kung ano man yan. So expect a good result also. In the soonest time, dito magtatagal kasi andito yung celebration card. So you will, the luck will be on your side. Sa'yo papabor ang magandang resulta, Taurus, kung ano man yan. Please, maybe this is all the reason why bakit yung mag-celebrate. Okay? Makukuha nyo ang justice, mapapanalunan nyo kung ano man yan, or talagang the good news that you will be receiving will be, of course, will be a sigh of relief para sa iyo. Talaga makakaginhawa ka na, makakaluwag ka na, maluluwag na isipan mo because after those past weeks na puro iniisip mo, ang lalim na iniisip mo, you keep on thinking on these things, but now talagang mabubulutan ka ng tinik, Taurus. So, again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe kapag nagustuhan nyo po ang ating reading ngayon. So, let's continue. We have the Queen of Swords, okay? Palaban. And at the same time, adaptable. Okay. Magiging, like, you're so confident. Okay, I can see here this Queen of Swords represents confidence for you, Taurus. Hindi ka na magiging mahihain. You will be facing people, the reality with full confidence. But, kasamang sinasabi ko adaptable, this is a good thing kasi parang magiging open ka sa criticisms. Parang at least makikinig ka pa rin sa mga feedback, sa mga payo, still even though you know you're already capable of being independent. Okay, that's a good thing. Kasi malaki may tutulong sa inyo, Taurus. Although you know it already, you're already skilled, magaling ka na, matured ka na, but still you're still opening for ideas and yun, feedback and criticism for others. So that's a very good talagang mindset or attitude na pinapakita mo dito, Taurus. We have here also the Five of Pentacles, okay? Maghigpit ng sinturon, matutong magtipid, what is this? I-track ang iyong finances. Oh, labas-pasok ng parents because this is the Five of Pentacles. This is about, it's not stagnancy. It's like about, parang medyo matuma lang yung pasok ng pera. Kasi malamig ang panahon, so these of Five Pentacles represents, even though you have a very stable job, a very stable career, but still, kasi di ba may mga season naman, hindi pwedeng araw-araw ay Pasko. So there are seasons na parang medyo babagal ang lahat, lalong-lalo na kapag malamig, di ba? Parang nakakatamad gumalaw ang mga tao. So, maring sarado yung mga shops, maraming, especially resonate dito yung mga kababayan natin, mga soulmates na nagtatrabaho sa mga bansa o sa mga lugar na malalamig. It's like, may snow, European and English countries. So, even East Asian countries, Japan, Korea. So, makaka-resonate ka dito. Please, I know, kasi galing din ako dyan. I came from Australia. Pag winter talaga, maraming mga, matumal ang trabaho. Kasi syempre, halos hindi lumalabas ang mga tao. So that's why it is the best time para to hold your horses, to be patient at the same time magtipid. Okay? So, sorry, Taurus. Oh, tingnan mo. Ten of Pentacles. Ang celebration daw, isa din sa isa-celebrate mo. It's because meron talagang malaking parating na big amount of money for you. I don't know kung saan to manggagaling, kung ano. Siguro ito talaga matagal mong hinintay with the good news. Ito, na sinasabi ko, may kinalaman pala sa pera, may is a big amount of money. Siguro this is a bonus for you, or it's like a back pay, incentive, or siguro parang commission mo sa isang malaking deal na na-close mo. So, ayun, no, nagkalat ang kaperahan. This is a big amount of money for you, Taurus. So, ulitin ko, ni-remind kayo dito na maging matipid or hawakan na mabuti, i-track na mabuti kasi mahirap na kapag one day millionaire, baka mamaya bukas makalawa ay wala, back to rags na naman kayo, back to zero. Mahirap na. Okay? Although you are capable, although you are skillful or talented, magagawa mo ng paraan. But syempre, mas maganda yung tuloy-tuloy na, hindi yung everyday pa bago-bago tayo. It's like always a refresh or a restart. Taurus, congratulations with this big blessing na parating sa'yo. Claim mo na yan. Okay, we have here the Five of Cups. Okay? Since magkatapat sila ng towers, anong sabihin nito? Matatapos na itong mga gumugulo sa isipan mo, itong sadness na meron ka, itong worries na bumabagabag sa isipan mo, itong frustrations and disappointments. Of course, mawawala na yan, tatanggalin na yan ni universe. Matatapos yan, magugulat ka na, healed ka na pala, magugulat ka bukas, makalaway, tumatawa ka na naman, happy ka na naman. So it's because masosolve ang problema mo, masosolusyonan mo lalong-lalo na kapag may kinalaman sa pera. Sabi ko, ito. So, magse-celebrate ka after the sadness, after mong kalungkutan, mga depression, anxiety, papalitan siya ni universe ng celebration. Okay? Kasi nga, ibibigay niya sa iyo, Taurus, itong big amount of blessing that you've been waiting for a long time. Okay, Taurus? Malinaw ba? Okay, so tapusin natin 10th and last card mo with this Moon card. Okay, malinaw, revelation, clarity about your emotional independence, so freedom, magiging malaya ka, you're going to make your own choices and decisions na walang gumugulo sa isipan mo, at the same time walang sumasagabal na mga iniisip. So, with the judgment card about communication, the universe is also reminding you na pag makipag-communicate, pag makikipag-deal, you need to be clear, you need to be concise, kailangan maayos ang lahat kasi baka mamaya may magkaroon ng misunderstanding or misinterpretation sa mga exchanges of communication. But this moon card also signifies that the universe is telling you, do not worry, do not be anxious kasi your life will be filled with clarity. Magiging malinaw ng lahat para sa'yo. You will realize why everything happens for you, and of course, ano bang napakalaga dyan, kung ano ba ang matututunan mo after that thing happen for you, Taurus. Okay? So, I hope and pray na marami nasa sign ng Taurus sa makapanood to ngayon. Kapag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading, don't hesitate to comment, like, share, click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga susunod na videos. And of course, ang hihingin kong bayan sa inyo, please do subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Hanggang sa susunod nating reading na pagsasamahan, mag-iingat kayo lagi at God bless us all.